Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee with an update for Bitcoin. To the public members and to YouTube members, I want to take a little time to share with you my perspective of what a long-term trend would be like for Bitcoin. I had shared this before. It's called the investor class buying signal and sell signal indicator. We have the 50-week moving average. I don't use the exponential moving average because the exponential moving average just gives greater proportional emphasis to front end compared to the back end price data. I like to see it evenly distributed. Okay? In using this, when price crosses to the upside, the moving average, you buy. You buy the sucker. You buy and hold. You buy and hold until price decisively crosses back down. Had you done that, that would have given you 10,109% back in 2012 and 2014. Now, if you had done the same thing back in 2014-15 and bought this buy indicator and held it until it crossed back down below the moving average, you would have gotten yourself a 2,735%. And here we are now, where the price has crossed up to the upside to give a major investor class buy signal. And that means every correction, this very scary correction, which was 57%, as long as it was above the moving average, should have been bought. This very scary correction, which was 82%, as long as it was above the moving average, buy. Buy. You buy these dips. Let's go to the next one. This minor correction right here of about 40%. Many panic sold in that. Many panic sold thinking, oh, it's going to cross. I'm going to sell now. You wait for the confirmation. You don't sell it because you think it'll cross. But the smart money people, they were buying. They were buying to this one and this. What were they doing? They were doing what's called BTFD. Okay? What does BTFD mean? BTFD means you buy the freaking dip. Exactly. You buy that dip in a bull market. As long as price remains above the blue moving average, the very easy but powerful indicator, the investor class buy sell indicator, right now is saying if we correct down even to the 6K or 5K, and as long as it remains above the moving average, you buy that. You BTFD that. Okay? And while the corrections occur, you buy the dips. And meanwhile, the moving average will likely go like this. Price will stay above the moving average. It might come close. Okay? Probably not as many wiggles. It's a lot more smoother because it's a 50-week moving average. But you get the idea. You buy this dip. BTFD that dip. You're going to BTFD that until price decisively crosses below the moving average. You BTFD it. That's the message I wanted to share publicly. I think the long-term perspective, as shown by this indicator, from an evidence of performance factor, shows that it can generate some very powerful percent returns. And I have little doubt that as long as price remains above for the period of next 24, 36 months, or whatever it might be, we should BTFD every correction, no matter how scary it might seem. Have a great day.